my videos, then you know my video playing tag like a monkey should. I'm deciding to make that a series. So, but the thing is, I'm gonna do it in different maps, just to like switch it up a little bit. So last time I did it in forest. Let's go to caves. Let's do it in caves. Could not decide over caves and canyons. We're doing you last. Oh, sorry, I had a little thing there. Playing comp lobbies on infection in caves. Let's go see if there's anybody even in this server.
Let it be.
Guys, there's people in this server. I suck at this map. Why do I have to? I hate and suck at this map. I honestly, I like old caves more. Bro, am I muted? I better not be muted. Okay, no, I'm good. Bro, what's up, bro? Bro, it's like you could sense that I was recording or something and instantly went up to me and went hi. Bro, party hat. Party hat, party hat. It's like you could sense that I was recording and then went up to me and said hi. How'd you know? Bro's got some type of powers or something. I don't like this map. I think Old Caves is way better. And you cannot change my mind about that one. Where's the last guy? Bro, where's the last guy? He's gotta be hiding somewhere.
This map is too loud.
I like Old Caves more. I know I said that like 4 times, but I just need to establish that Old Caves is better.
No, I already put him in the water.
I'm sorry.
Bro, where's the rope? You're messing up the rope. Okay. I'm finally back up here. Here, let's see if this guy's hiding in the corner somewhere. Oh, my neck hurts so bad, guys. If I just like, go like, I just groan or moan, I'm not having sex, my neck hurts. Here, is that little bitch in the crevice? Okay, no. He's not in the crevice. Where could he be? Where is the last guy?
No, that's where I am. That's where I am, not Matt.
Yeah, no. The bat
Finally!
to your mom's house. The bat to your mom.
Oh my god, where was this man?
I asked his mom.
Your mom's cheating on your.
Bro, why do you guys care about a bat so much?
Waiting. Good. Just let it be. Some of us like to play around, okay?
Bro. Y'all. No. We can establish an agreement here. We can establish an agreement. Like, I can sign a fucking waiver or something just so you don't attack me. You know. I'll do whatever you want. Bro, they're not even chasing me. What am I scared of? Holy shit! You scared the shit out of me. Holy shit! You scared the fuck out of me. Excuse my language, but what the fuck? Hashtag I don't like this map. Bro, he scared me so bad. I thought he was a lava monkey. Oh my god. No! Oh, I thought that was a lava monkey. What if I just... Okay, let's go. No! Help me! Ooh. Lightning McQueen is cool.
Yeah, but
Yeah, he is. Let me eat him. I want to grow.
I knew I'd find you here. Usually where everyone who's good at the game is. Not,
I'm sorry.
nah, you can just keep doing that. I'm not gonna do that now.
What the fuck?
being overrated is R-rated.
I'll get you.
Fucking ka-chow.
Okay. Had the demons escape? The demons escaped me, bro.
What'd you say about Lightning?
I'm trying to fight the demons over here. I can't do this. Cyan! What are you doing in here? I scared the shit out of you. I'm not even a lava monkey. I just scared you.
A little bat.
Bro, the bat is gay.
Yeah, you better be joking. You better be joking. You better be joking.
Hey, that's the bad number.
Stop doing
I
that.
just gotta clean it, okay?
If it was all the way around here,
Oh, yeah.
you're mine.
Vector, baby.
Clean it.
Okay, I'm ending this here. I think this is pretty good. You're Zesty.